Can Linux be installed on Xbox One?
Hello there, and welcome to this deep dive into the world of consoles and operating systems. Today, we'll be tackling a very interesting question. Can Linux be installed on an Xbox One? This is a fascinating topic that explores the intersection of gaming and computer technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
What is Linux?
Before we delve into the main topic, let's briefly explain what Linux is. Linux is an open-source operating system that's widely used in many different forms, from servers and desktop computers, to embedded systems and even in some game consoles. It's known for its flexibility, security, and customization options. Now, let's move on to how it relates to Xbox One.
Can Linux be installed on Xbox One?
Now, we come to the meat of the matter. The short answer to this question is, it's technically possible, but not straightforward or recommended for most users. Installing Linux on an Xbox One involves bypassing the built-in restrictions of the console, a process known as jailbreaking or modding. This is against Microsoft's terms of service and can result in the permanent banning of your console from online services. Furthermore, even if you do manage to install Linux, the Xbox One's hardware is highly specialized, and not all features may work correctly under Linux. Performance might not be as good as on the native Xbox OS.
Why would someone want to install Linux on Xbox One?
You might wonder, why go through all this trouble? Well, installing Linux on a gaming console like Xbox One can turn it into a fully fledged computer, capable of tasks beyond gaming, such as browsing the web, writing code, or running server software. However, it's crucial to remember that this is a risky process that can void your warranty and possibly damage your console. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install Linux on an Xbox One, it's not something we would recommend due to the risk and potential loss of functionality. If you're looking for a Linux experience, there are safer and more effective ways to do it, such as installing Linux on a dedicated PC or Raspberry Pi. Always remember, tampering with your console can void the warranty and potentially ban your device. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful.